Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to upload a video into YouTube and optimize it using TubeBuddy. I'm your host, Dina, and I'm super excited that you're here. And if you have any questions and you get value from this, please like and subscribe to my channel. It means the world to me. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is open up YouTube. And then we're going to go to, I'm going to actually zoom in my screen a little bit here, so you can see it a little better. That's less editing for me to do. Okay, you're going to click the right hand side, the camera with the plus sign, and upload your video. You can either drag a file or you can select a file. Oh, actually here it is, how to find the most viral videos on YouTube. So that's going to take a few minutes. But we can go ahead and optimize this title. So you can see these are the keywords that I want to use. And I actually am going to use Chat GPT, a custom GPT that I built to create a really awesome headline. So I'm going to head over to my GPT called Headline Genius. And if you want access to some of these powerful custom GPTs that I created, leave a comment below and maybe I'll give you access to one of them. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put my keywords in here. Use these keywords. I'm going to tell it exactly what I want. Use these keywords specifically for this headline. So I'm going to go ahead and put my keywords in there and let's see what Headline Genius comes up with. Oh, it didn't understand. I just want text and a headline. Okay, here we go. How to find the most viral videos on YouTube. Uncover trending content in minutes. That's a pretty good headline. But I'm going to go ahead and say, give me 5 more, and it's going to be a really nicely formatted, bulleted list of more headlines. Here we go. Let's see. I really want to use the specific how to find the most viral videos on YouTube. But there might be some other stuff on there that might catch people's attention even more. Unlock the secrets. How to find the most viral videos on YouTube fast. That one's really good too. I like the fast one. Or we could say for free. Discover how to easily find the most viral videos. How to spot viral gold on YouTube. I like that one. Find the most viral videos on YouTube, your shortcut to trending content. Now you could go in and you could also test these headlines and you could change things up and keep track of your analytics and see which ones get you the best clicks. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I do want to use the keywords here. So I'm going to go ahead and just use this first one right here. No, actually I'm going to use this one down here. How to find viral videos on YouTube fast. And I might even add free in there if there's room. So we're going to go ahead and paste that in on YouTube, fast and free. Exclamation point. Now you have 100 characters in your title here. So then we're going to go ahead and write a description about that, and I have a GPT that I like to use for that as well. And I'm going to try to find that here because I have so many GPTs. It takes me a minute sometimes to find the one I want. Ooh, there it is. That turquoise one's my baby. Okay, I'm going to say write me a description for this. Okay, so building custom GPTs, I'm going to get a little off topic here, is great because it will help you write your descriptions like a few seconds. Look at that. That is awesome. So it's got timestamps. They might not be perfect, I'm guessing, but I'm going to go ahead and copy that and post it into the description here. It talks about what you're going to learn. I want to make sure that it's right because it might not be right. And you know, something I could have done is upload the transcript into Chat GPT and say, here are my transcripts, please write me a description about that. So I do want to go through and make sure that the description is correct for the video. Okay, I'm going to say the best strategies and tools, and I'm going to put free YouTube hack to discover viral content. Okay, it says the exact, I'm not going to say the exact tool, I'm going to say the exact method, because we're not really using a tool in this video. We're mainly using YouTube's search filters. So you can identify emerging trends before they blow up. I'm going to take that one out. I mean, it sounds good, but that's not really what I'm talking about on this. Proven strategies to stay ahead of the YouTube algorithm. I didn't really talk about that in the video, so I'm going to remove that as well. Here we go, tips to boost your viral content. I'm going to make this really basic. Start finding YouTube's viral gold. Don't forget to hit the like button, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so another thing I like to do is I like to put my suggested tools in the description below, so that if anybody wants to support me on my channel, they can buy through my affiliate links in my description, which I totally appreciate because I do get a small commission from a lot of these businesses. Okay, so I've already grabbed some of my affiliate links that I will put down there below because, hey, somebody might buy through the link. That is awesome. And I will be talking about affiliate marketing in this channel as well. So then the next thing you're going to want to do is upload a thumbnail here. So I don't have a thumbnail yet, but usually you want to put the benefit of the video in your thumbnail. You want to make it very clear what your viewer or potential viewer is going to learn. So you could use your specific words, or you could use keywords that aren't in your title or your description. So that's the next step. So I'm going to go ahead and create a video thumbnail in Canva. So I got to pop over to Canva. Okay, so I've created a YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to go ahead and upload that file here. And it looks very similar to a cover photo that I've created before, but that's okay. So what you want to do now is choose a playlist. And a playlist is a really great place to tell people about what your channel is about. And you can also use keywords and descriptions in there of things that better describe you. So I'm going to go ahead and select the playlists, and you can search your playlist here. If you haven't created any playlists, you can create a playlist on the bottom left gray bubble. So I'm going to go ahead and type in YouTube. I'm going to put YouTube tips, and let's see what else we can look for. Let's see, hacks. Let's see, there's a lot of hacks and stuff in here. I'm not sure if I have any more YouTube stuff in here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and just choose that one playlist for now because it's pretty much about YouTube. Oh, I could put SEO. That could be SEO tips as well. Let's see if I have viral. I don't think I have anything about that yet. Let's see. I might go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and click done. So we have two playlists for that. But I could talk about, then we're going to go ahead and scroll down for the rest of these features here. My stuff isn't made for kids. It's kid friendly, but they're probably going to be bored if they watch that. But you can choose an age restriction. I'm not going to restrict mine because there's nothing too crazy on there. I'm going to go ahead and click my video contains a paid promotion because I do offer affiliate links in my description. So right here, your altered content is, do any of these describe your content? It makes a real person say or do something they didn't say or do. Alters footage of a real event or place. Generates a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur. So you would need to check yes if you are using AI content there. I'm not an attorney. That's just what I'm doing. So I go ahead and allow automatic chapters, featured places, and automatic concepts. Now this is where you can really get into the SEO. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this long tail keyword up here that's find the most viral videos on YouTube. And sometimes I have TubeBuddy extension already in my browser. If you don't have TubeBuddy, I will put a link in the description below. You can click on that, and I am an affiliate for them because I love their product and I use it all the time. So you can add a target keyword here if you like, or you can also use the ones that are just there suggested already. So there are all kinds of keywords in here. I like to use the long tail keywords. And another thing to do is, you can see there's a bubble here that says relevance, and to the right of that it says keyword score. So I'm going to go ahead and click on keyword score and click this green button that says refresh scores. And it might give us some better low-hanging fruit that are easier to target in YouTube. So here, this one is how to find the most popular videos on YouTube. That definitely speaks about my video. Let's see, and there are other ways you can say that. So you can go in here, you can X out of this target keyword. We could say it in a different way. Let's go ahead and say how to find viral videos on YouTube. So when you say it a different way, you might get some different scores here or some different keyword ideas. But when you use TubeBuddy, when there's a high number and it's green, it's even better because that'll give you a higher chance of people finding your content on YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and select a few tags, and I'm going to go ahead and X out of that, and I'm going to just see what suggested tags they give me here and scroll down and see if there's any green ones that are relevant to my video. Okay, I'm going to look at the keyword score and refresh those again. And there, oh, look at that. How to grow on YouTube, how to get more views, make money online, how to get more subscribers, grow on YouTube, that will be a good one. Make money online. So I don't really talk about that much. Well, I do actually a little bit. Let's see, it's not super relevant. But we'll pick up to 300 characters. How to grow your new YouTube channel. By having an optimized YouTube channel, that is a way that will help you grow your YouTube channel. And another way is by creating consistent content. So I am going to speak about those. Actually, I'm speaking about that right now. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add another target keyword, find viral video, and see what other keywords come up. There might be something really juicy. How to find viral video ideas. So I'm going to go ahead and just select a few of these tags. Where can I find viral videos? How to find viral videos. So I like to use all the tags up to the 500 just because I can. And people spell stuff wrong. So you can also click these things that are spelled wrong. How to find viral videos on YouTube. So misspellings can be a good thing. And we're going to go ahead, oops, that's not the right one. We're up to 408. See, I guess you could find viral videos to repost. You could do that too on there. Find viral video ideas. All right, we're at 470. All right, we are at 508, so we have to X out of one of those tags. All right, thanks TubeBuddy. You're the greatest. I love this software that integrates with YouTube. So now we're down to language captions and certification. I'm speaking English in this one, but you could use HeyGen or other AI tools that will help you translate your videos to reach bigger audiences, and I do have descriptions down below in that. There's free trials to most of the things that I suggest below. Caption certification, you can put this content's never aired on TV. And recording date and location, I don't usually put the video location or the recording date because I want my stuff to stay evergreen, and I'll try to update things if they change. You know, if something from 2004 is still on here, it's probably not going to be relevant when it comes to software. So you can look up the pros and cons of that, and I like to use Perplexity AI to get a lot of detailed research on pros and cons of stuff like that. Okay, so you can allow embedding. That's if you want to allow people to embed your video in their sites. I want that because I want people to be able to see me and get more brand recognition. Publish to subscription feeds and notify subscribers. I'm going to go ahead and check that box too. You can allow shorts remixing, audio remixing, or you can not allow remixing. So I want people to spread my videos and my content out, so I'm totally fine with that. And then you'll pick a category. This one for me could be how to and style. It's not really, so I'm going to go ahead and pick science and technology because I do talk about TubeBuddy in there. Comment moderation, show the viewers like your video. I like to do that. All right, so it looks like I have everything taken care of on that screen, and then I'm going to hit next. I don't need subtitles because I put captions on my video using DESCRIPT video editor already. They have the fancy captions that are really cool. So you can add an end screen here. I'm going to go ahead and just click add, and I'll show you the basics about that. See, it pops up a video, and you can actually move these boxes around. So at the end of your video, you're going to have your picture here if you want. You can move it up to the top. You can move it to the middle if you're really crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and click save, and then we're going to go ahead and add a card as well. So I'm going to go ahead and do playlist, and then I'm going to search for YouTube playlists. Oh no, I want to see if there's anything on my channel here. I'm going to go ahead and get AI video editing, and then you can add a custom message. I'm going to put discover AI video tools. That could be better. I would use Chat GPT. You can put teaser text, learn the ways of, and I'm just gonna let people wonder about that and leave that open loop so they don't know what I'm talking about exactly. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and click next. No copyright issues are found. We'll click next again. Then you have your choices here if you want it to be a private video, like if you want to have that just for your team or someone you're training, or just to your friends or family, you can make it private. Unlisted means you can post that and you can share links with specific people, but not everybody gets that. I, of course, want public. You can set it as an instant premiere, so the viewers can watch it together at the same time. So if you wanted to tell your subscribers, hey, I'm going to launch my next video Monday at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, please check out, and I'm going to launch that at 8, and they can all watch it at the same time. I'm assuming that would be awesome for the algorithm. Okay, so you can also schedule it if you like, or you can publish it right away. So you can click schedule, but before you publish, make sure if there are kids in there or not. They might make you check another box. So I'm going to go ahead and schedule that for, let's say, the 13th at 8 a.m. That sounds awesome. Time zone, I'm going to pick my good old New York time, even though I'm in West Virginia. And then I'm going to go ahead and click schedule. So now that video is ready to go out, and it'll be ready to share at 8 o'clock in the morning. I hope this video has been helpful in showing you how to upload a video into YouTube and optimize it with TubeBuddy and Canva. I'll see you in the next video.